Now, how to create script in AG AutoClicker, best AutoClicker. Now, to create script, what you do is just click on the AG AutoClicker app like this. Wait for it to open. Here, click on this script here. Now, click on this plus icon on the top side here like this. Now, you can see it takes us to the feature. Here, there are features which you can use script on. Like here, you can see it. You can use script on multi-point mode. You can use script on synchro mode. You can use script on record mode. You can use script on all-in-one mode. Here you can see it. Now select anyone you want by clicking on it like this. Here I will use all-in-one mode like this. What you do is just click on it. Now click on this start icon here. Now you can watch ad to unlock it if you have not subscribed for the premium version. Here I will watch ad to show you an example. Click on it. Now wait for the ad to display. Make sure your data is on. In order to activate the process, now click on it again like this. Wait for it. As you can see, I'm watching ad. Now after watching ad, as you can see, the feature have started displaying here. Now what you do in order to create script, what you do is just select any feature you want to use in the multi mode here. Select any feature. Now what you do is just pause it. After setting the feature, now click on this script icon here. Here type the script name, how you remember it. Like here I will use slide. Now click on this save in order to save it. But always remember this, if you have not subscribed for the premium version, you only use 16 scripts. That's the limit of if you have not subscribed for the premium version. Now click on this save icon here. Click on this save icon again here. As you can see, you see it slide. You can use it by clicking on this play icon. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorials. And also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Watch this video on the screen in order to know how to use this script, and also watch this video on the side in order to know how to use this AG AutoClicker, best AutoClicker. Also, you can find a link to all the tutorial in the description section. Thank you most of all for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.